icy slide. A short moral story. In the frosty land of Glacier Bay lived Pip, a curious little penguin who loved sliding on ice. But Pip always chose the smallest, safest slides. One day, Pip's friend Tilly waddled over. "Come on, Pip. Let's try the big ice slide." Pip shook his head. "It's too steep. What if I fall?" Tilly smiled. "You'll never know until you try." Pip hesitated but followed Tilly to the towering ice slide. From the top, the ground looked far away. Pip's flippers trembled. "Just lean forward and trust the ice," Tilly said, whooshing down with a happy laugh. Pip took a deep breath. "Okay, here goes." He leaned forward and slipped. "Whee!" Pip shouted as he zoomed down the icy slope, the cold wind tickling his feathers. At the bottom, he tumbled into a soft snowbank, giggling. "I did it!" Pip cheered. Tilly high-fived him with a flipper. "Told you it'd be fun." From that day on, Pip wasn't afraid to try new slides or new adventures. He learned that fear melts away when you believe in yourself. Moral: courage grows when you step out of your comfort zone. Thank you for watching.